For the 2019 model year, Mini is revealing a large number of updates to its present 2 and 4 entryway hardtop models and the convertible. It's an exceptionally humble update in many regards. From the front, the main genuine changes to the headlights. The LED running lights that encompass the primary lighting component now enlighten in a full circle, and that full circle flashes golden to work as a turn flag. The sides are additionally essentially unaltered, however returning around to you'll locate the most clear change. Never again are the tail lights straightforward adjusted rectangles with hovers inside. Presently the lighting components are completely LED and in the state of the Union Jack, the British banner. It's executed well, however it's somewhat senseless. What's next? The horn that plays Administer, Britannia. How about annexing the initials HMS in front of the Cooper name? We kid. However we do stress a little over Mini concentrating excessively on kitschy British references. Other outside updates incorporate 3 new metallic hues called Emerald Grey, Starlight Blue, and Solaris Orange. They can be joined by the Piano Black bundle that swaps the chrome around the lights and grille for Sparkle Dark. The custom Mini Yours bumper identifications and lights that are made with 3D printing or laser etching are additionally accessible. The inside is for the most part unaltered. Bluetooth availability is presently standard no matter how you look at it, alongside a 6.5-inch infotainment screen. There are new choices, as well. Both 2 and 4 entryway Mini lids can be requested with malt brown Chesterfield leather. Like the outside, the inside has a piano black trim choice. It includes Sparkle Dark trim all through, alongside a board on the Traveler agree with a Union Jack theme. That theme has straightforward areas that light up in an indistinguishable shading from the driver's selectable inside lighting. The refreshed 8.8-inch touchscreen infotainment framework and remote telephone charging are likewise alternatives. With you